access every knowledge.
Writing a book can be a challenging but rewarding experience. Here is a step-by-step guide for beginners on how to write a book. Choose your topic. Decide on the subject matter you want to write about. Pick a topic you are passionate about or have knowledge and expertise in. Develop your idea. Once you have chosen your topic, brainstorm and develop your idea. Create an outline or a mind map to organize your thoughts. Set a writing goal. Set a writing goal for yourself, such as a word count or number of pages to write each day or week. Create a writing routine. Establish a writing routine that works for you. Find a time and place to write where you feel comfortable and free of distractions. 1. Write a first draft. Start writing your first draft. Don't worry too much about grammar or punctuation at this stage. Just focus on getting your ideas down on paper. 2. Edit and revise. After completing your first draft, revise and edit it. Check for grammar and spelling errors, and refine your ideas. 3. Get feedback. Show your work to friends, family, or writing groups and get their feedback. This can help you improve your writing and gain different perspectives. 4. Polish your work. Make final edits and polish your work. Ensure your writing is coherent, flows smoothly, and engages the reader. 5. Publish or share. Decide on how you want to share your work. You can self-publish, find a publisher, or post your work online. Share your book with friends and family, and promote it through social media and other channels. 6. Keep writing. Don't stop writing. Practice your craft and continue to develop your skills. The more you write, the better you'll become. Writing a book is a challenging but fulfilling journey. Follow these steps, stay motivated, and be persistent, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful author.
Thanks for watching.